Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I am going to share with you all on how you can make delicious, homemade, fluffy buttermilk biscuits. And I'm going to show you how you can achieve nice, high buttermilk biscuits. So, if you want to see how to do that and how to make these, keep watching. Alright guys, in my bowl here I have all of my ingredients to make my homemade buttermilk biscuits with, and you guys know I will put the full recipe here on the screen for you guys to get, and I will also post it down below in the description box for you if you're interested in making these biscuits. Now here's my little pastry whisk that I'm using. I did get that from MacArthur Flour if you guys are interested in where I got it from. So that there is my 2 sticks of butter that I did use my cheese grater to grate up, okay? In my opinion, I feel it's a lot easier to do it that way because you would definitely know that the butter is evenly distributed throughout your flour mixture as opposed to cubing it up, chopping it up, or whatever. It's best to just use a cheese grater, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and move that mixture to the side and go in with 2 cups of buttermilk, okay? I'm going to add in 2 cups. Now remember, we're using 4 cups of flour along with the other ingredients that I posted back there, and just go ahead, give it a good mix, guys, and you can definitely adjust the ingredients to your liking if you're making a bigger batch of biscuits. But again, guys, that'll be totally up to you. So now that we pulled everything together, you are looking for a very tacky dough. And once you reach that consistency, can even get that out, you want to go ahead and just sprinkle a little flour on the counter, and then take your dough and put it out onto that floured surface. And then you want to add a little bit on, flour on top, because you don't want to be, having the dough continuously stick to your hand as you're trying to knead it and get those nice layers in it, which is what you see me doing here, okay? And another thing, guys, you don't want to overwork your dough. You don't want to activate that gluten, because that's going to make it like a bread consistency, and we're pretty much not looking for that. We're making biscuits, okay? So now I just folded in all my layers, okay? That's what I was doing there. If you're wondering why I was folding in the ends, I was folding in the layers, okay? Top, bottom, side to side, fold it in, okay? And you can do that as many times as you want, but remember, don't overwork it, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and cut our biscuits out. Now if you want to achieve nice high biscuits, you want to go down and straight up, down and up. Do not go down and twist and then up. If you twist, guys, you are sealing your biscuits, okay? Now the key to making nice high biscuits, your biscuits, to get that nice rise, you want to get these back into the fridge or the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Biscuits love cold, okay? They love cold, cold, cold. Make sure everything is ice cold, okay? That's the only way you're going to get nice high biscuits. Now we're going to get these into the oven. I have my oven set to 350, and we baked them for about 25 minutes. And here they are here, guys. You can see they turned out beautiful. Do you see all of those layers in my biscuits? That's where the folding in came from, not the kneading, the folding in. But you guys can see here they turned out beautiful, and I'm also going to break one open for you so you can see how it turned out. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how I make my homemade buttermilk biscuits. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.